Hey, today we're going to be making hair scrunchies. It's a lovely, cute hair accessory you can wear anytime, anywhere, summer, winter, spring, autumn. So let's just make this little craft. We're going to need a couple things here. We're going to start with actually finding a lovely fabric that's 5 by 24 inches. And then we're going to get an elastic ribbon that's 8 inches long, 2 safety pins, and of course sewing pins, and scissors. And then I'm going to actually get my fabric out and fold over the sides just like that, and we want to actually secure them with safety pins. We're going to do that with every single side of the fabric just to secure it, and we're going to sew it then so that our scrunchies look nice. We're using sewing machine, but you could easily do this by hand, of course. Now we want to turn our fabric inside out to actually see the beautiful side of the scrunchie. We're going to do that, and then I'm going to get one of my elastic ribbons and get to work. I'm going to take out my 2 safety pins and attach them to the ends of the elastic ribbon. We're going to secure it to one side of the fabric, and then we're going to take the other side and basically just pull it through the fabric. Take your time to do that. It's not that hard, but it's quite fun actually. The next thing we want to do is just tie together the ends of the elastic ribbon, just like that. And then you want to cut the little edges that are left so it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to actually put the fabric inside the other side of the fabric. We're going to actually secure it. And I'm gonna take my sewing machine out. And we're just going to quickly sew it up. You can use your hands, of course. And that's it. Our scrunchie is ready. It's quite sturdy, as you can see, extra cute, not that hard to make, so it makes for a perfect craft for teens, for adults. It's actually a practical craft. Either way, if you loved this craft, please subscribe for more videos and for more fun tutorials like this. Go to craftyhacks.com for more ideas, more tips, and have fun crafting.